Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful tiny cord, perfect for decoration. It has only one row to repeat, that is why it will be perfect for beginners. For this cord I'm using 3mm crochet hook and sport yarn number 2. Let's start with a slip knot. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now into the second chain from hook make 1 single crochet. Now skip the next chain and into the last chain make 3 single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn clockwise this way. Into the first stitch make 1 single crochet. Then into the second stitch make 3 single crochet, and row number 2 we are going to repeat all the way. That's it. Now chain 1 and turn again. So you will always have 2 stitches unworked. Again, 1 single crochet in first stitch and then 3 single crochet in next stitch. So 1, 2 and 3. Great. Chain 1, turn, and again 1 single crochet and then 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn, and again 1 single crochet in first stitch and then 3 single crochet in next stitch. Like this you go on repeating row number 2 and you will get this beautiful lace cord. Let me show you again. Here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. For the written instruction, check my blog and stay tuned for more core tutorials.